My name's Matthew, and today I'm going to be walking you around another car that we know incredibly well. This is the second time that we have owned this particular G80 M3, and it is an unbelievable example. This particular car, just 7,900 miles from new. It's finished in Brooklyn grey with all of the carbon fibre exterior pack items, which I will show you as we go around the car. And critically, it is an ultimate pack. So absolutely everything is on this car, and I will show you all of those details as we go around it. I mean, just one of the best examples I've seen. And also, before we start walking around the car, this car is a rear-wheel drive car, and I think that is the best part about it. Rear-wheel drive means this is a pure M3. It feels half the weight to drive than its X-Drive brother or sibling, and it's just the purest M car, I think, that they currently make. Let's start at the front end. I'll point out some of the best bits on the car. Again, an ultimate pack means you get all of the technology, including BMW's laser lights. The way you tell is you've got that little blue horizontal strip through the LED beam there. A really cool thing because they don't do it. If you order a brand new one of these, the laser lights is no longer an option. So really cool thing to have. We've got all of the anniversary badges throughout. That's a cool option as well. And I think that badge is much better than the standard badge. A really cool feature against the Brooklyn grey. Forward-facing camera is part of the 3D surround camera package. And the radar down here tells you that this car has adaptive cruise control. The carbon fibre is everywhere, including this massive air duct in here. You've got carbon fibre on the wing mirrors. Of course, it's got a carbon fibre roof because it's an M car, and all modern M cars have lightweight carbon fibre roofs. And if we come down to the wheels themselves, a super intricate competition wheel, and this is what BMW love to do. They put a competition badge on the back of the car and you get some unbelievably intricate wheels, finished in a beautiful dark, well, gloss dark black, anniversary badges, red anodized brake calipers there, the M3 competition badge on the left flank. We've got gloss black side seals down the bottom of the car, but the stance of this M car, this generation of M car, probably the meanest looking M cars they have ever made. Bear with me because the key's inside and the lock is for all the doors. It's obviously got the safety lock on, which means the driver's door is obviously open, but to protect passengers and traffic, when you're in the traffic, it will lock all the other doors, it will keep them all locked. You press it twice, it unlocks the other doors. If I open the car, oh, we're having a real, there we go, the keyless, my apologies. I'm going to point out some more things. Right, so in this corner here, we've got a little triangle in the mirror, blind spot monitoring, and because it's an ultimate pack, this is the showstopper. Full exposed carbon fibre M bucket seats, probably the most famous bucket seat in the UK car market at this current moment in time. They are a mixed review, but I can tell you from pure experience, it is the most comfortable bucket seat you have ever sat in. Once you are in this seat, it is unbelievably comfortable, super supportive. The controversial carbon section in the middle for a driving experience, for not moving in the seat on a car like this, incredible. And then we've got the two-tone Silverstone and black leather throughout the car, and it's extended. So again, everything, smooth leather to the tops of the door cards, smooth leather to the tops of the dashboard, all because it's an ultimate pack car. Privacy glass to the rear three quarters. Go inside and have a look at the back of the car. Again, 7,900 miles. This car looks every bit of 7,900 miles. It is in exquisite condition. Look at the exposed carbon fibre on the back of those bucket seats as well. Just incredible things to look at every time you get a different angle of this car. Carbon fibre boot spoiler, carbon fibre rear diffuser, the massive quad exhausts. We've got the reverse camera, which is part of that 360 camera there. A power tailgate, again, because it's an ultimate pack car. And because it's just a 3 Series, a very beefed up, aggressive 3 Series, you still get massive boot space. These lovely handles here, which you can pull, which release those back row seats. As you come around this side, I will show you, and then you can have full access, you can have full load through. So still loads of practicality, and all of the second row seats will fold flat like that, giving you a load more literage to your boot space if you do need to go and pick up larger items. The car is also fitted with a very advanced tracker and a ghost immobiliser. or a Ghost style immobiliser, should I say, which gives you that extra level of security. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jump in. It's a gearbox lock, so I'm going to just ask the cameraman to focus on that door for a second while I fire the car up and run the combination. And then once I've done that, I can then go through everything with you. We're good. Right, we might as well stay on the door card. Again, we talked about all the smooth leather and the lovely materials, but over here we've got memory settings for the driver's seat. So this is all fully electric. This massive carbon fiber seat is still electric. So memory settings for the driver's seat, Harman Kardon surround sound stereo, electrically adjustable anti-dazzle and electric folding mirrors. And as we come into the cockpit itself, more carbon fiber adorning every surface, it seems, inside the cockpit itself. It's a facelift car, which means we get the really large and I would say beautiful curved display with your speedometer on this side and then your massive infotainment screen on that side. The steering wheel itself, again, typical of BMW, it's a big, thick motorsport inspired steering wheel, carbon fiber paddles, carbon fiber fascias to the steering wheel itself, and a heated steering wheel down here. Again, because it's an Ultimate, all of that is standard. I've got a big heads-up display, that's why I've got this massive cutout in the dashboard here, which projects out into the windscreen. And then again, let's talk about the things we've got on the steering wheel. The two configurable M buttons, everybody knows what they do now. Very, very clever. Lots of manufacturers have copied that. Multi-function controls on the right-hand side and your Bluetooth functionality. Over on your left-hand side, we've got adaptive cruise control settings and your autopilot, which again, will almost let the car drive itself. However, you will need to keep your hands on the steering wheel. You must abide by the law. We've got auto wipers, auto headlights for those fully adaptive laser beam headlamps. And if I move the steering wheel away from me, we'll go over into the center console over here and run you through this incredible display. It is also touchscreen, so you can use the iDrive wheel or the touchscreen, but there is so much to this display. We've got loads of engine settings, tire temperatures, tire pressures, and if I pop it into reverse, there's your surround camera package, and if I tap on any one of the cameras, there's the 3D view coming into action. You can go all the way around the car. It's a super clever system. And again, if I come back out of there, I just want to show you one more thing in here, which is, if I go into here, look at how much is in this system. There is so many things that you can do. You can adjust the interior lighting, the exterior lighting. So obviously we've got ambient lighting, which runs under all of the dashboard at the moment. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is all wireless, and you even have the BMW M Drift Analyzer, which tells you how good your drifting is if you so wish to drive the car that way. Carbon fiber to the gear tunnel, a massive little cubbyhole here with a wireless phone charger and two cup holders, USBs everywhere as well. That famous iDrive system, and then the individual configurations down here for your drive modes, and of course the switchable sports exhaust, because it wouldn't be a modern sports performance saloon without a sports exhaust. And under here, a USB-C and more storage. And that more or less sums up the features inside the car. So I'm just going to switch it off, jump out and summarize a really amazing opportunity to own what is now a very rare thing, an ultimate pack BMW G80 M3, particularly a car with just 7,900 miles. And critically, this car is still covered by its BMW main dealer warranty until October this year. And then we will carry that warranty, our own supplied warranty, over for the remainder of the 6 months. So yeah, what a car, great color scheme, ultimate pack, super low mileage. My name's Matthew. Hope the video's helped. Thanks for watching.